You're on site and you tweak your inspection form. Maybe you rename a component, add a field, or remove an option you never use. Refining your form template lets you keep those improvements, so every future inspection starts with your best version of the inspection form. Changes you make inside of an inspection form only live in that form. Your form templates stay untouched. That's on purpose. One unusual inspection shouldn't rewrite your template. When a change is worth keeping, the Refine Form Template feature lets you review every difference and choose exactly which ones to merge back into the template. To get started, navigate into your inspection. Open the inspection form with the changes you want to keep and find the Refine Form Template section. This section shows which template this form was created from. Select Review Changes to start. The first time you open the Refine Template page, a quick primer explains the 3 steps. See what's different, accept or reject each change, and apply when done. Every difference between the form and the template is listed here, grouped by category. Each change is labeled New, Removed, or Modified, and removed items are struck through so they're easy to spot. For each change, tap the check mark to keep it or the X to skip it. Nothing is deleted or saved yet. You're just making decisions. A few tools help you move fast. Each category has an All control to accept or reject everything in it all at once. Filter chips at the top, All, Accepted, Pending, New, Removed, and Modified help you work through longer lists. The progress bar at the bottom tracks how many changes you've decided on. You can even star or unstar favorite options right here in the review before anything is applied. When you're ready, tap Apply Changes in the corner. The button shows how many changes you've accepted. A confirmation summarizes your decisions. Accepted, rejected, and pending. Only accepted changes are saved to the template. Rejected and pending changes leave the template alone and they'll be waiting for you next time. Confirm and you'll see the Changes Applied screen with a count of what was saved. Select Review Again if you want to revisit the remaining changes. A few important notes. Refining requires permission to edit form templates, which the admin and scheduler roles have. Applying changes cannot be undone. Be careful with removals. Accepting a removal deletes that item and everything inside it from the template. Template changes only affect new inspections. Existing inspections keep the inspection form they started with. If the form and template already match, you'll simply see no differences found. You can also start from the other direction. Open your form template and find the Refine from Inspection Form section. It lists the inspection forms created from this template over the last 14 days, with the property, address, and inspection date. Pick the form with the changes you want to review. That's how you refine your form template. Improve your form in the field, review the differences once, and keep the changes worth keeping. Your template gets a little better with every inspection, automatically carried into the next one.